Hi everyone, how are we? So this is take 3 of this video, so I'm hoping this is actually recording this time. So let's get on to it. So today's card is this cute little long notelet, as you can see there. It's using the Artfully folded stamp set, and we're going to be using the flower stamp there, and the sentiment, be your own kind of beautiful. So there's a lot of work, well, not a lot of work, but you need to do some masking to get the plain strip, and there's a lot of colouring, which is fun. So let's get a move on. So move that out the way. So I'm going to bring in the card, which is a long notelet size, so 6.5 centimetres by 22.8, folded at 11.4. I'm just going to put that onto the grid mat, and I'm going to use some cheap, just some washi tape, just to hold the card down, and just so it's not moving everywhere when I'm stamping. Make sure it's straight, like so. And then what I'm going to do is, well, what I have done is I've got a piece of copy paper which I've cut at 0.5 centimetre, so 5mm, and I'm just going to place that where I'm going to want the sentiment. So I did it 4 centimetres from the top. So I want it lined up here. So the grid paper is going to help me a lot, because I know that's now straight, like so. So because we're going to be colouring in, I am going to be using Stays On ink. One thing I have learnt the hard way is you want enough ink on the stamp, but not too much ink, because then it can flood. So gently tap. Check it's all inked up, like so. Perfect. And what I'm going to do is just bring in another piece of copy paper and just place it over the top, like so. Give it another dab and just stamp the image down, like so. So that hasn't particularly worked well, so I'll keep going. Struggle through, guys, struggle through. So, and then swap it round. All I've done is rotated the stamp just so it looks different throughout. So that's the first half done. All I'm going to do is then move this up, like so. Ink up the stamp and place it down where I want it. I don't know where I want it. We'll go there, like that. Turn it round. Let's get some of these floral bits here. And sorry, just see my arm. Let's do them flowers there, like so. There you go. So then that's all done, and you can remove the bit of copy paper out of the way, like so. So as you can see, I have off stamped, well, the stamp hasn't done a clear image there, but that's fine because just for demonstrational purposes. And what I will do is when I cut this size card out, I do get a bit here like so. So first we're going to stamp down the sentiment, which is be your own kind of beautiful. Love that sentiment. And I'm just going to line it up as well as I can over the camera and put it down. There you go. So for colouring, all I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the image onto a scrap, and we're going to colour this in to save time. So with the colouring, Stampin' Up does offer multiple mediums in which you can use to colour. Bring in the card. My favourite is Stampin' Up markers. You get a really bold colour from it, so I'm just going to colour the flowers again with the brush end, like so. Take your time. There's no need for you to rush at home. I just want to let you guys have a good understanding of how they work. So I'm using Highland Heather, as you can see. I'm using So Saffron for these little balls. I don't know what kind of flower they are, but they're going to be So Saffron. We're also using Blushing Bride, so pink colour. And for the leaves, we've just got Pear Pizzazz. As you can see, I can just colour these in like so. Take your time so you can have it nice and perfect. And then you have it, you can see all the colours coloured in there. On the example. And on the main card, there you go. And what I was thinking, this is like a colouring page. Like, so many people enjoy colouring in. Why not get colouring? Just use a black ink and you can colour it in with the markers and you can have your own fun. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed today's card, and we went through masking as well as colouring, which is exciting. I hope you enjoyed. Any questions, please leave a comment in the box below. Also further down is the description where all the links to my blog, my Facebook page, Instagram account are all available for you to pop along to have a look at other projects. Simply subscribe and give this video a like, thumbs up. Thank you, bye.